Alright, so I got these tyres down here. It is lethal. Jeez, and they broke my neck like 5 times. Yeah, get this set up. I'm pretty sure it's going to be... It's pretty simple, so... Let's just get her opened up, see what like. I was not expecting it to be so snowy. So we'll just make do with the conditions we have. So let's use get this open. And if you don't have a knife, just use your imagination. Come on! Jesus! Right, there we are. Let's see. Instructions. No need, for I am a man. Get that out of shot. Right, so we got our legs. Honestly, I don't think I need the legs. Why would I? I'm screwing it onto the deck. Objects falling. See, I don't need any of this. It's as simple as taking it out the box. Let's just see. In there. Wee pin. Right, here we go. Look at that. Look at that engineering feat I've just done. Right, now, get this. No need for a washer. Have I lost a pin? Sort of looking like that. So that's gonna go a bit, unless that's a bolt. No, because there's no bolt long enough. I'm pretty confident I've already lost something. Are you joking me? How? It's probably under the snow. All I need is that pin, and then I'm done. That is it. There you go. Look, I'll get another pin for that, but look. I'm happy with that. If that's all it is, let's just see if it works. Alright, so I'll get this screwed in. She is slidey, this deck. I wasn't expecting the snow to be this bad, but no matter. Sweet. Already solid. Right, she is solid. Look. That ain't, kind of moves, but not, hopefully not enough that I can take the tyre off. Or say goodbye to the deck, but it's my deck. I built it. So yeah, let's try see if we can get this bead broken. That I've took the wee valve thing out of that, so nothing to do but to try. Right, let's see. What are the chances? What did it say to do again? Aha, right, okay. Are you joking me? Hold on. Hold the phone. Oh. It's working. Look at that. Oh, this is good. Now I just need a pry bar and voila. Right, so now, right, so you screw this off, I think. There. That. I thought that came off. Unless it's frozen. Yes, it is. Aha, right. Now we're cooking. Still don't know if it'll fit, but it's going on. It's going to work one way or another. I think. We'll see. Pop that through that hole, if you can see that. And just... this will be... I don't think this is going to work terrific, to be honest. Oh, you're joking. Look, no, we'll see, we'll see. What will be, will be. Now, all I need to do, I think, try grab it, which shouldn't be a problem. Yank it through. Everything's so slidey right now, but let's take our time. There, and then apparently, oh, look at that. It's working wonders. Oh, it just came off. We'll tighten that up a little. Right, so look, it works pretty good. I've got her hooked on tight now. Look, oh, this is amazing. Let's see, right, let's try to get that up now. I have just discovered some of my handiwork from before. There is tons of this stuff in here. What a nightmare. Oh, it's loaded. Let's get this in here. Come on, up you come. Here we go. Is this a stand? It's not a stand. Come on, baby. There we go. She is off. Look at it. But here, that sealed the job for ages, so shout out to whoever that company is. So let me just get it cleaned up and let's attack getting the tyre on now. I'm not expecting it to go as easy as taking it off, but we're going to find out, I guess. This is always a barrel of laughs. Like, got Bonnie here helping now. Oh, God. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, yes. Happy days. That went better than I thought. Right, so all the videos I've seen online, this is the worst part, or the hardest part. And it's just snow everywhere at this point. Not ideal conditions, but hey ho. So that way, in there, like so. Then it has to like bite. Oh, this is going to be difficult. It just doesn't stay still. This is a nightmare. Right, so what I've jerry-rigged here, ratchet strap this down to the deck. That should hold it at least to one side enough. I can then do this. I think this should work. It better. That should be about right. So what I've done here, strap that to the deck and that'll kind of hold it roughly so I can then attempt to get this on. So let's give it a go and see how that works out for me. This is the end. It's got like a wee hook. Hook that round the rim. And I'll just try. Come on. Oh, this is tough. Come on, just a little bit more. There we go. That put up a fight, but that worked pretty well. Pretty happy with how that went. At least I got them on, that's the main thing. So let's get some air in them and fit them on the quad, baby. Perfect time, because look, it is coming down. Okay, get her on the bead. The old trick, hopefully. Not blow myself to kingdom come. A difference now. I'll actually be able to go places. So yeah, that was a wee short video on just changing the tyres in the quad. Desperate for this kind of weather to heat up so we can get back to work on the BMW. You know, I need to finish painting the rest. So fingers crossed in the next month or so there's going to be some spraying videos coming. So thanks for watching, guys. Give us a subscribe down below and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace. I don't know, it's pretty slidey on this deck, but we're about to find out if it works. Get her on the beat.